She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa.
Hey guys, good morning. So my name is Sudeshna and welcome back to my channel. So today I decided to vlog because I woke up to an empty house. So for the next 24 hours my house is going to be absolutely empty because there's no one except for me. So I thought, why not? I think it'll be a fun vlog to show you guys what I do when I'm home alone. And we have a few things to do today. I have to shoot a little bit. I also have to do some household chores because I'm home alone, so I'm the only one doing them. And let's see what else. Of course, we're going to be eating, so I'm going to show you guys what I eat when I'm home alone. Honestly, it's more or less going to be the same kind of thing that I eat with my family because I'm a boring person. I am really excited because in the evening I'm planning, like once I'm done shooting, I'm planning to like make some baked goods. So we're gonna see how that goes. In all of my vlogs, I'm always wearing black. And it feels like I'm always wearing the same t-shirt, but trust me guys, I do have a lot of black t-shirts that I wear at home. So they're not the same, they're different, but they just look the same because they're black. I think it's high time I go and grab my breakfast.
Something about the features. You'll find the beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. Let me paint a picture. I see they don't understand. Feeling like Picasso. She brushing against my hands. Seen you from around the way. You didn't give me the time of day. You be making moves that year. Who really care what Simon say? All the bad things, girl, I had to look past that. Call yourself a dime, I'm just trying to get my cash back. You be looking fine, so no wonder they can't match that. Louis V scarf, or I'm chilling with a dad. Whoa, slow it down like that. Just hold me down like that. Yeah. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her.
Okay guys, so I just came out of the shower and now it's time to wash my face. Now generally this step I would do in the shower itself, but I can't really show you guys inside my bathroom, so I had to step out for that. So for face wash, I'm going to be using the mamaearth tea tree face wash. So as you guys know, I have been shooting a lot lately. Like before I used to shoot like 2 times a week, but nowadays I'm like shooting 3 to 4 times a week. That means I have to put makeup most of the days and that is really affecting my skin. So I do get like that occasional acne and all that. So just to control that and keep those acne under check, I like to use like a tea tree oil based face wash. I'm going to take a little bit. Yeah. So I'm just going to gently massage my face. This tea tree range by mamaearth helps reduce acne. It has antibacterial properties. It regulates sebum production and it is suitable for all skin types. Okay, so face wash is done and look at my skin. It looks really nice and fresh, doesn't it? So this afternoon I have a little extra time, so I thought why not do another little step and do a little face mask. So today again I'm going to be using the mamaearth tea tree face mask. It has tea tree oil and salicylic acid. So we are going to be applying this face mask and I'm super excited. I love the color of this face mask. Can you see that? And as you guys can see, I've already used some of the face mask because I do genuinely really like it. I love using this face mask once a week to help soothe my skin and to keep it acne free. mamaearth is an Indian brand and they're plastic positive, and all mamaearth products are free of harmful chemicals and are made with natural ingredients, and all of these products are available on mamaearth, on Amazon and on Nykaa. You can also check out their official app to shop all of these products. I also have a discount code for you guys which is only applicable on the mamaearth official website. So I'll put it right here on the screen so you guys can go and apply this discount code and you can buy all of these products for a nice discounted price. So yeah, I'm gonna chillax and I'll see you guys later. Bye.
We gotta keep going and hope for the best. Walking the streets, just you and me. Trying to fill the void, trying not to bleed. Sometimes life just moves too slow. You gotta find a reason to push it and go. You know we're trying our best to be a success. We're living our life trying to clean up the mess, cause I'm stuck in this route.
Hey guys, so I just finished doing some work. So I just had to send in some documents and I had to do some email stuff. You know, like the boring side of vlogging that no one really talks about. So I just finished doing that. I still have to do some of them at night, but right now it's like 5 and it's time for me to shoot. I have a full face of makeup on. It's just time for me to change out of my pajamas. So let's do that. Let's do a little bit of magic, shall we? So 1, 2, 3. And there we go, magic. Anyway, isn't this top like so cute? I got it from Amazon. I will leave the video link in the description box below. You guys can go and check it out. It's such a cute top. So I'm shooting a video for another platform and I'm going to shoot a hair curling tutorial video. Let me show you guys, you know, whatever I possibly can. So yeah, let's go. Hey guys, so I'm just done shooting the video and look at this. I just curled my hair. So this is kind of an extreme curl, I would say. It just looks great in like pictures and videos and stuff like that, but these are not the kind of curls I would necessarily go outside with. I'm gonna go upstairs to my studio room and we're gonna shoot some pictures, some reel videos and all that stuff, and after that I'm gonna be making some croissants, which I'm really excited to see how it's going to turn out. Okay, so right now the time is like 6:45, so I've been shooting for the past 2-ish hours. So I think we're done for the day. This was my last outfit. Just going to go quickly, you know, pack all of my studio stuff and just go change, and we're going to be baking something. So yeah, let's go.
I'm so glad that we started talking again. Yo, turn up the radio, I love this song. Remember when we used to stay up all night long? How's it been going? Oh, how's it, mom? The roads are so empty, this is so damn calm. If we stick on the highway, we can drive all night long. If it's fine by you, I'll take the passenger seat. We can drive around to the sky and see meat. If it's fine by you, I'll take the passenger seat. I got my hands out the window, feeling the ocean breeze. Are we going again? Just you and I on another one of our famous midnight drives. Do you need to rant or just stay silent? Either or, you know I'm compliant. Take a left up ahead, we're going towards the horizon. Don't stop going till we see the sunrise. You know this is who we are, this is what we do. Driving in circles till we find something new. The only person I enjoy sitting in the car with is you. If it's fine by you, I'll take the passenger seat. We can drive around to the sky and see meat. If it's fine by you, I'll take the passenger seat. I got my hands out the window, feeling the ocean breeze. If it's fine by you, I'll be beside you, staring out the window, looking at the summer view. Fine by you, I'll be next.
Okay guys, I am just super tired. Also my hair looks super crazy today because I did curl it and style it, but thankfully I will be washing my hair tomorrow. So anyway, I'm going to be enjoying my green tea. I don't know if you guys can see, like I don't want to tilt it too much. Okay, so right now the time is like 11 p.m. So I'm going to enjoy my green tea and I'm going to take off all of this makeup, put on some nice skincare, and I'm just going to relax, probably start editing a little bit. So I'm going to end the vlog right here. I feel like in this vlog I definitely made a lot of things but it kind of makes sense because I was home alone, so I did have to make, or you know, had to order in. But I don't know, I just didn't really feel like ordering anything, and I just wanted to try some exciting things. Please let me know in the comments down below if you liked vlogs like these. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.